Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and remember to follow me on IG at the Gabriels and for short at the Gabriels Cut. So let's get right into it. I'll be cutting her hair into a perfect shape, but first to note is I want to cut something without a layered back. I want the whole back to be the same because this is the first time of cutting, so I definitely want her to get something she can rock easily without stress. So firstly, I'll be cutting the back of the hair short, and the second layer that follows I'll be cutting the same way, and after which I'll be cutting the sides and the other sides. I'm using my phone, so definitely I can't capture the whole sides of the hair, so you just have to bear with me and watch till the end to see how beautiful this is gonna come out. So right here I'm trimming up the excess hair, the hair that wasn't bargained for, so I'm trying to cut off the front part, making sure it blends with the back side. Another thing you want to take note of is if you're cutting the front, you want to make sure you don't just start with the front. You want to make sure you are cutting from the crown to get a perfect shape. I was about to do the same mistake, but then I figured that what I'm cutting is not going to be too short at the front, so I decided to stop. So I'm doing the same cut, trying to blend both sides, making sure everything works just the way I planned it. As you can see, the hair looks good already, even without relaxing or molding yet. You can see it's already layered. I already got the shape I desire. So after this, I'm going to relax, then wash the hair, do some deep conditioning depending on what the issue is. You just want to make sure the hair feels good before you start molding. So right now I'm trying to create a pattern, then combing to detangle everything that I don't bargain for. So then afterwards I'll be doing some extra cutting to make sure things go the right way I desire. So here's the extra cutting. I'm trying to make sure things get blended well and not have issues with molding, because when you don't blend well while molding, you tend to have issues with some hair, or while coiling you want to start cutting while coiling and all, and that is actually not advisable. So you want to do your blending before molding, then after molding you can do little cuts, but then it shouldn't be like the whole excess cut. So right now I'll be using my Nairobi foaming lotion to mold into the perfect shape I desire. And while molding, you want to make sure you are molding into the shape you desire, because that is what will determine the look of the hair at the end of the day. And you want to mold perfectly, no errors. You want to get the front the way you desire, you want to get the back just the way you want it to be. And the front, for me, I'm not slipping the front because what I desire doesn't require too much folding to the sides or anything. So I will leave the front like that for it to dry through before I wrap, then put on at the dryer. So this is me wrapping. So after wrapping, she's gonna sit under the dryer for a while, then after which, when she's out, I'm gonna do the rest of the thing. Just stay tuned and keep watching to see how beautiful this is gonna come out. Okay, so our hair is dry now, so I'm trying to comb out, and while combing again, you want to still go with the direction of your molding, so that the old thing you did at the front, the beauty you are trying to acquire, you get them. So right now I'm trying to blend the back. I love to use the comb and the blade method because it gives me a perfect shape that clipper doesn't even give. So right now I'm trying to remove the excess hair because I'm not using clipper for this video, but then I love razor because the way it gives the back that flow. And you want to be careful while you're using your razor. You don't just want to hold it anyhow. You want to be really careful. I think I'm going to do a video of that so that you will get how to use the razor perfectly, how to mold perfectly. All of those things will be coming in. So next, so right now I'm coiling and making sure that you're being careful not to hurt your client. You want to make sure things goes the right way you planned it. So right now I'm working at the front of the hair, but then I'm using a bigger straightener and I'm trying to use it to form curls, then some droppings at the front, just to get the exact style I have in mind. I'm loving this look already. I hope you had to, but this is really getting exciting and it's like everything and more. I do love this look. So I'm trying to blend perfectly just to make sure it flows with the back and the front and not just getting all of the hair direction at the front alone. Trust me, you need to see when I was in the video. She loves the hair already. She was smiling all through. In fact, she's just so beautiful. Sitting on my chair and letting me do this video. I'm so glad. So I'm using my edge control to make sure I get a baby hair well laid, and you still want to follow the same direction just the way you walked it through. So at this moment I'll be combing it out and to get the perfect lines I want at the back. You can see the flow already. Very perfect. This is going to really work for her because it's her first time cutting and you really don't want to do something complicated for your first time, except she wants it and you really want to teach her how to go through it. So maybe I'll be doing a video on how to maintain your short hair, how you can make it last and all, because short hair for me, it's a lifestyle. You are, if you're ready to cut your hair, then you're ready to leave it. So at this point, this is what our final look looks like. It's so beautiful. I love it. Do you? I want to hear your opinion down there at the comment section down below. So you tell me what you feel, and remember to share, to like, to subscribe, please. Then press the alarm button so you can see more of this when it comes up. Thank you for watching. Bye.